Dr. Ling, what would be your message of confidence to those people that are hesitant because sometimes you do not can offer the same kind of regulations existing in the Western world? Can you please elaborate about the products that you service to the international community, whether if you cope with the international requirements that are needed to penetrate into the market?
Yeah. I think for this international requirements, okay, there are a few things that we have done. First, we have this 3 ISO, okay, ISO 2001, ISO 14001, and ISO 1725 for the laboratory. Then we also have this GMP certification, and also for certification from a TGA from this Australia. Okay, so when with all this good certification, we can penetrate throughout the whole world. So we get all the approval from all the major countries throughout the whole world. So inclusive of many parts of Asia, South Asia, even this Arabs, Africa, this Europe, Latin America. Then with all this approval done worldwide, then also with this internet linking throughout the whole world, so many members can now join as a member. Okay, then they can take this as an entrepreneur to start their own business. So I think now there's not many hurdle now. Okay, even now many people in Europe, they also join DXN to expand the business. So we believe now is a golden opportunity for anybody to participate into this business.